success amidst diversity. Well done, Louisa. I'm so proud of you.
Can I kindly ask Louisa to come and join me here? Give her a warm. So, Louisa, can I just check stop the microphone? I need to switch it on. Here we go. It's been a long day, guys, and now we have a microphone working. So, Louisa, from watching the video there, it's clear that peer support comes naturally to you, and it's something that's really important and powerful, isn't it?
It's very powerful, yes, yeah. I only realised when I started working with adult learning that I was very good at it, really. That was the basis of reinforcing my confidence to start with. You know, so I think it's vitally important because I can give the information in a different way. And of course, the other students think, if this student can do that, I can do that. Because that's what I thought. So.
And there's a really strong sense of having a second chance in your story, isn't there? How important is that?
I think it's vitally important. I mean, we all make mistakes and, you know, make wrong choices in life. Life doesn't go for us. I think we should all be given another chance. At least one, maybe two.
I love the way you say that you're thinking about retiring, but I'm kind of sensing maybe not either. Are you able to share any future plans or anything exciting on the horizon?
Well, I don't have anything exciting on the horizon. I want to keep improving myself, and I want to find that niche because I do want to give something back to the community, and I feel like I put something out there before I go. You know, so and I think that's important for my self-confidence as well as giving it back. And I want to give some back, you know. Loads of people have helped me get where I am, especially Nick. So thank you. She's been an absolutely brilliant tutor.
It's proof, isn't it, that having a supportive and fabulous tutor can really make a huge difference in people's lives.
It makes a world of difference. Nick allows you to explore where you want to go and be yourself, and that's the important thing. And I think Nick's very strong on that. Just be yourself, you'll be fine.
Well, we're all extremely proud of you, and congratulations. It's a fantastic achievement. Da iawn, llongyfarchiadau.
Thank you all.
Don't disappear for a second, Louisa. Come and stay here because we need to give you your award. So I'm going to ask, we've got council members coming forward to present the awards. So Cathy Clark is coming to give you your beautiful award, which was made in the workshop in Port Talbot, the Adult Learning Wales workshop. So here we go. There we go. You present the award. And Drew here is going to take a nice photograph. Cathy, before you disappear, Drew is going to take a photograph of you. Lovely. Lovely. Welcome. O'r gorau. Dyn ni'n symud ymlaen at yr ail wobr pnawn yma. A teitl yr ail wobr ydy Cyfraniad Cymunedol. So we move on to our second award this afternoon, and this is the Community Contribution Award. And henillydd ni heddiw yma, our fabulous winner today is Kerry Stokes. A dyn ni'n mynd i wylio clip bach i gael chydig bach o hanes Kerry yn fama. A mae partner busnes Kyle yma hefyd. So his business partner Kyle is also here today. So we welcome you both and we'll hear a little bit more about your work.
I started as a graffiti artist when I was 10. Graffiti's been my life for a long time. We run a graffiti shop called Hurt So Good. Hurt So Good has been a graffiti writing crew for like at least 25 years. So when we opened the graffiti shop, We said, you know, we've got this space, let's put it to good use, let's do some workshops. And they just went through the roof. You know, if I had 100 spaces and put them out to the public, they'd be gone in half hour. So it's like ignited like something inside me when I'm like, actually, I kind of like, I didn't set out to be a youth worker, but I love this work. Like, it's the most satisfying feeling to like try and teach somebody something that's given you so much from life. Bit daunting at first, considering I haven't been to school for like God knows how many years. Suddenly I'm there studying away. So I did fall behind with tasks now and again, but you've got to prioritise, haven't you? You've got to make time for this. It's been quite hard, but it's been a nice experience, really. The Vale Youth Service has been a great help to us here. They funded a lot of workshops where myself and my business partner Kyle, we could have a load of kids in, teach them graffiti, teach them about the history, and they all get to leave with a nice piece of graffiti art each and a good understanding of what graffiti is. And we've got this project that we run called Colour in the Community. We'll identify like a rundown area, and we'll approach people, approach the council maybe, and we'll say, look, let us bring some kids down and put some really nice artwork here and brighten the place up. Sometimes you'll have to like trim a bush down, sweep the roads, bag up a load of rubbish and really like tidy the area up, and then we get to work on the artwork then. We've had a really good response from the public in Barry and the Vale, and it's just gone from strength to strength. So we've ended up doing like commission murals now for the rugby club, a lot of the schools around Barry, and it's working well, it's going good. Years ago, when I was first starting, you whip a spray can out and start painting a wall. The police would be there within minutes. Yeah, you kind of like vilify, and there is some vandalism that goes on, don't get me wrong. But what graffiti has given me is a lot more than just writing my name on the wall. And to like come back now and really put our effort into the kids and the youth of where we live through our artwork, it's probably been the most rewarding thing I've done so far.
Fantastic, Kerry, llongyfarchiadau. So before I ask you to come to the stage, I'll just ask Sophie Jones, who nominated you, to come forward and tell us why.
So I've had the pleasure of teaching Kerry over the last few months. Kerry was quite nervous when he came to us, as he's already mentioned, for not being in education for a while. But we reassured Kerry that in doing the Level 2 award in Youth Work Principles, it was delivered in a true youth work style through informal education. So as we approach the last module, I can now say Kerry is one of the learners that likes to talk the most on our course. And he's brought so much experience, life experience and passion, wanting to give back to the young people in the community. He supports all the others during the course, and I have no doubt that Kerry's going to be an outstanding youth worker, giving young people new opportunities where he can. You can feel the passion that Kerry's given through this video. His connections he's built in the Vale Youth Service with the council has allowed for a positive spin on graffiti and breaking down the stigma and barriers, which are the core values, principles and purposes of youth work. The youth work sector is like a big family, and everyone that has spoken about Kerry has given nothing but positive praise. When I told Kerry I had nominated him for this award, he didn't understand why. But I think everyone in this room can agree today that Kerry is very deserving of this award, and he is going to bring a lot to the youth work sector. So well done.
Diolch, Sophie. Kerry, would you like to come and join me on stage to receive your award? Give him a warm welcome. Well done, well done. Just come out of the beam there, otherwise you'll have... It's interesting hearing Sophie say that you didn't understand why, but I think we all agree that actually you do deserve this, so congratulations, well done. Now it sounds like you almost like fell into youth work, but it's become a bit of a calling, so why is it so important and powerful?
It's just teaching like the youngsters in our own community something that's given me so much from life, like graffiti. It might, you know, to a lot of people it's just a scribble on a wall, but to me it's everything, like. And then to give that back to the kids where I'm from, it's just been amazing, like. It's been a brilliant opportunity and we've just enjoyed every minute of it, really.
Your award is about community contribution. What do you think strong communities give us as a whole?
Well, it's everything, isn't it, really? Community, like who any of us with our community, really. So, yeah, it's just been good to help the kids where we live, and yeah, it's just been amazing.
And what would you say to anybody thinking about, you know, like people get nervous about going to a new class, about joining something new, maybe coming even to your sessions? What would you say to those people if they're thinking of taking that big, big step?
Just get on and do it. Change your life and get on changing other people's lives, isn't it? I know it sounds a bit, but make the world a better place and just crack on with it.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, llongyfarchiadau, huge congratulations. So we'll give you your award now, hold on. So can I ask Tim Palasson to come forward to give you your award? And I'll step out so that I don't photobomb you, and then we'll take a picture. Diolch, Drew. There's nothing worse than having your picture taken and having a room full of people staring at you. Have your picture taken. Well done. Well done. And I remember to put my microphone on then. O'r gorau. Last but not least, yn Gwobr olan ei pnawn ma. Gwobr ysbrydoli eraill. Our last award this afternoon is the Inspiring Others Award. And hynillydd ni heddiw ma, our amazing winner today is Daoud Mohammad. So give him a warm congratulations. Ag unwaith eto, da ni'n mynd i wylio clip i gael chydig bach o hanes Daoud. Diolch.
I'm from Sudan, and Sudan is one of the countries that's been on crisis for the past 50 years, maybe 60 years ago. I've been staying in Cardiff 10 years before I went back to Sudan. I went back for family reasons. Now the war is bringing me back, and I want to stay and develop my skills and try also to help refugees. There's a lot of refugees here, and teaching and doing a lot of workshops. So before the war, I was just trying to help people how to speak English, how to develop their skills in English. I guess wherever you get a chance to develop your ability of learning and get new method of any kind of academic chance, you better, for me, I'd like to join it and take it. And definitely it will improve your skills, it will improve your chances for getting more jobs, it will improve your life, it will improve so many things on you. Learning, I think, is a habit. It's something very beautiful for anybody. Staying in the same level, I don't think that's healthy. Staying the same level of, I mean, if you are a university graduated, or if you are high, even very high degree for university, you need to pull up and learn more, because knowledge is building up every day. You know, it's never stop. I wanna get to the computer science. The computer is an ocean. You can never say, okay, it's enough here. No, you always have to go up and learning more. If it's a computer science or IT, software, hardware, whatever you want. It's an ocean education. It's not only learning here. Just like learning is a part of it. Being together with people you never met before. Different kind of ages. You got young, you got old. You meet nice, lovely people, nice, lovely friends. Yeah, more opportunity to build up your life, and that's learning. Learning, it's a blessing, I guess. Yeah, yes.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr, Daoud. Huge congratulations. So gai ofyn I Nicole Cyned ddod ymlaen eto, os gwelwch yn dda, gan mai hi nath ebio. So, just is why you nominated Daoud. Diolch.
Last time, I promise. Daoud's achievement in winning the Inspiring Others Award in an adult education ICT class exemplifies his remarkable dedication and leadership. Despite initial challenges in navigating technology, Daoud's determination and enthusiasm for learning has shone through. His willingness to share knowledge, assist peers, and foster a supportive learning environment has set him apart. Through his exemplary efforts, Daoud has not only mastered ICT skills, but has also inspired others to embrace the possibilities of technology. His recognition underscores the profound impact of mentorship and encouragement in adult education, empowering individuals like Daoud to reach their full potential and positively influence others around them. Congratulations, Daoud. I'm so proud of you.
Diolch, Nicole. Come and join me, Daoud. And I have to, yeah, well done. So, Daoud, how does it feel to win this award?
It's really feel like heaven, you know. I can't believe myself, like I'm standing here talking, but it's a great feeling. It's yeah, unbelievable.
It sounds to me like learning has really opened doors for you, and I don't know if you felt the same. When I heard you say learning is a blessing, oh, I don't know, it made me feel all warm and it made me smile. So just tell me a little bit about that blessing.
I mean, talking about learning, and if we talk about like where I come from, for example, I'm an African, and we get education in Africa, but the chances you get it here, you don't get it there. There's a lot of crises happening there. It stopped you from building yourself up and stopped you from developing your skills. And it's not everybody gets a chance, like we get the chance, we've been here and we get the chance to develop our skills. So when I say a blessing, I mean it's whenever you learn, whatever you learn, it will build you up, you know. It will build you up and it will build up your career, it will build up your future, it will give you a lot of chances to improve yourself and to help the other. As Mr. Stock said, my aim is to give chance to younger and teenager to learn what I've learned, so I can just give this message forward to people. I guess they need it. When I say people, they need it, I've talked about refugees. There's a lot of refugees come to Europe. We heard about the people crossing the ocean and dying in the water, and so they make it to come to Europe. They don't have this education to break through and get like integrated in the community. So I think my message is to give this message through to them and to give this education through to them and to learn them how to get integrated and build themselves and help others. Yeah.
It sounds like you truly love learning, and I think, you know, it's really important that we realize we can take learning for granted here, but for you it's a real passion, and sharing that with other refugees is really important, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It is. As I said, it's an ocean, you know. For me, education is not like being in a university graduate or a doctor degree. You have a doctor degree, you have a master degree, and you stop. No, you need to build it up, and the more you build it up, the more you shine, the more you give a lot of chances to yourself and to others, and yeah, that's a blessing, what I mean, yeah. Yes.
And it's an ocean, and sometimes ocean has waves, and sometimes it's nice and calm, and it's all part of the journey, isn't it?
It is. What I say is ocean. I say education is an ocean, so let's deep with deep emotion. I make some poem. Yeah.
He's a deep sea diver. You have been diving deep into education. Fantastic. A huge congratulations, and thank you for inspiring others. Amazing. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
And before I go, I just want to dedicate this award for the beautiful teacher, Nicole Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. She's been inspiring. She's been like a really good help. It's one of the best teacher I met in my life, actually, giving the method and easy way to educate and easy way to let you understand exactly what's happening in the ICT, you know, and I dedicate this award to you. And also I dedicate it to Maximus, the workers there, and especially some of the workers, they also give us a hand. I'm talking about Katie and Julia and Natasha. Thank you so much, Maximus, and thank you so much, Nick. You are one of the best teachers we met in our life.
Oh my goodness. And don't everybody look at Nicole because she is crying, understandably so. Can I now ask Jan Tiley to come forward to present your awards? There we go. Well done. Congratulations. Aren't they lovely awards? You're doing a great job with the curtain there, Kathy. Nobody's noticed you at all. Glamorous assistant. Well done. No. Nice. Wel, dyn ni bron iawn a chyrraedd diwedd yn digwyddiad ni heddiw yma, ond i orffen swn i'n licio gwadd yn cadeirydd ni i wneud rhai sylwadau i gloes. We've nearly come to the end of our awards ceremony today. To close today's proceedings, I'd like to just invite John Gracetown, our chairperson, to say a few words, please, John.
Well, thank you. I think it's been an absolutely brilliant day, and I think we can all agree on that. It's not often you go to a conference which really makes you sit up and think. All the presenters we've had today, and Nicole about 5 times, I think, have really been excellent, and have really made me think. I mean, Alex, you know, the social model of disability, brilliant. Claire, the work you've done on double empathy and the work of the Emerge Community Arts was fantastic. The work with Jenny and Sarah on understanding British Sign Language. I must say, I never knew that there were regional variations to sign language. That was really interesting to pick up. Nicole's journey and what you've been through, very inspiring. And then Sam talking about the use of space. So each one of those I thought was absolutely fantastic, and I think it's a real credit to the organisation. I'd also like to congratulate the winners, Louisa, Kerry and Dowd. It does show how adult education transforms lives, and it underlines the fact that Wales is a second chance nation. So well done to you. And I'd like to thank, lastly, all the staff who have been involved in organising this event. I'd ask Catherine, other people I should single out, said no, just thank everyone. But Catherine, can I thank you? And can, maybe on our behalf, can you pass a message of thanks through to all the staff who have been organising it? And lastly, Nia, I've got to thank you. Firstly, I didn't have to chair it. This was a relief to everyone, I can tell you. But again, your brilliance and the way you actually handle these events are actually tremendous. And I think, and we're really lucky to have you. So please, as Catherine said at the beginning, we're not going to let you go. So just in case you wanted to get away. But safe journey home. And I think we have a very exciting future. And certainly, I think the council will take on board some of the lessons from this morning and take forward. So we will actually act on some of the things we picked up. So diolch yn fawr, safe journey home. See you all again soon, I hope.
Diolch, John. I cannot believe we've managed, from being like 40 minutes over time, we've managed to claw it back. It says here, and like, I'm supposed to thank you at 2:50. It's now 2:52. We're 2 minutes behind. Yes. O'r gore. Felly, dyna ddiwedd ein digwyddiad ni heddiw yma. Diolch o galon i'n holl siaradwyr ni. Diolch a llongyfarchiadau i'n 3 enillydd ni, Louisa, Deiwd a Kerry, llongyfarchiadau gresog i chi. Diolch i bawb A enwebodd y dysgwyr hyn, diolch i'r holl diwtoried, hyd a lled o wlad sy'n gweithio'n galed i addysgu, cefnogi ac ysbrydoli dysgwyr ym mhob man. So we have come to the end of our event today. Thanks to all our speakers, a huge congratulations to our 3 amazing, inspirational winners today. You are really going to continue and go on to great things. So keep going, you really are amazing. Thank you for sharing your stories with us. Thank you for what you do for your communities and the support you give to your peers. You should be extremely proud of yourselves. Well done. Thank you to everybody who nominated our winners this year. Thank you to our amazing teachers. Without you, we couldn't have amazing learners to celebrate. So thank you to you all for your hard work throughout the year. Diolch I chi am ymuno efo ni. Diolch I holl staff Addysg Oedolion Cymru sydd wedi gweithio mor galed I wneud I bopeth redeg mor llyfn heddiw yma. A diolch I staff Canolfan Soar yma dalen I ddod i'r lleoliad yma. So thank you for joining us today and for your patience. Thank you to all the staff at Adult Learning Wales and the governors and all the tutors and the learners and the staff here have really worked very hard to ensure that everything runs smoothly. On a personal note, can I please thank Stephen, who has answered all my very annoying, finicky questions, and when things go wrong, I just look at Stephen. Can I also thank Alex, who is hiding behind here. Da, 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 da. Do you know when you can feel somebody's pain? You know when technical things don't work? And I was sitting there going, oh, it's not working, it'll be fine. I could just feel Alex going, play, play. So well done for keeping your cool. Thank you to Dragon Fruit Films, who made the films, Steve Johnson. Thank you to Drew Buckley Photography for taking lovely pictures, ones that aren't lovely when I'm pulling silly faces. If you could just press delete, that'd be great. Diolch yn fawr iawn. Mae wedi bod yn fraint. It's been a real honour to try and guide you through today's proceedings. And I think it's really important. I'd really like to finish with Daewd's words. Learning is a blessing, and it certainly is, and today has been proof of this. Mae dysgu heb os yn newid bywydau. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi a siwr nesaf. Adra, hwyl fawr. Diolch.